Hello and welcome. My name is Loraine Martinez Bellamy. I'm an attorney at the Connecticut Fair Housing Center, and today we're going to be discussing the Homeowner Assistance Fund, MyHomeCT, Connecticut's pandemic relief program. The Homeowner Assistance Plan came as a result of the American Rescue Plan of 2021. Connecticut has been awarded approximately $123 million to establish the MyHomeCT program. And the goal of the program is to cure mortgage and qualified non-mortgage delinquencies to avoid foreclosures among Connecticut's homeowners. Qualified non-mortgage expenses include, but are not limited to, non-escrowed real estate taxes and insurance, condominium or homeowners association fees, including special assessments incurred during the pandemic, water and sewer liens, ground lease or lot payments, and fees that have been advanced by a loan servicer or mortgage company on behalf of an applicant with a reverse mortgage. So both any payments you're behind on your mortgage, which will have included in most cases your taxes and insurance, or if you have no mortgage on your property, MyHomeCT is also available for these qualified non-mortgage expenses. And the beauty of the program is when you apply, the program administrators will be asking you if you're behind on any of these qualified eligible delinquencies, so you can get assistance on your mortgage, on your condo association fees, on your water and sewer liens, if all of those are outstanding, up to a program maximum of $50,000. The Homeowner Assistance Fund is under the ambit of the Department of Housing, and CHFA, the CHFA, has been chosen to administer it on the Department of Housing's behalf. So as I mentioned, you can qualify for up to $50,000 in grant assistance to pay outstanding mortgage or non-mortgage delinquencies. And the beauty of the grant assistance is this is essentially free money, right? So before you tap into a loan modification, a repayment plan, or any other type of loss mitigation option with your mortgage company, you want to apply for MyHomeCT if you meet those eligibility criteria. So your hardship had to have occurred sometime between October 2019 and present day. There is a cushion built into there. The administrators realized that folks may have fallen behind on things in the fall of 2019 and had every intention and opportunity to catch up in the new year, having not anticipated that there would be a global pandemic and they would lose their jobs or their hours would be reduced. So there is a cushion there to make up for that. Your property must be a primary residence and a 1 to 4 unit home, and your household income must be equal to or less than 150% of the area median income. I've linked here a tool that CHFA has provided, a map where you can click on your town and determine what the area median income is so you can see if you're eligible. This link up here is also a live link. It'll bring you to the MyHomeCT application page and portal. I have found the portal to be user-friendly. However, if you have any issues with it and need assistance completing the application, there is a list of resource centers that you can access to help you complete that application, upload documents, print documents, and get everything in order to submit your application for MyHomeCT. If you have a mortgage arrears and it exceeds the program maximum of $50,000, you can combine MyHomeCT with one of the loss mitigation options that I discussed in previous videos for Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA loans, USDA, VA, and privately held loans. There are videos available that walk you through loss mitigation options for those. But you want to apply for MyHomeCT first and make sure that you qualify for those funds first, because if you do accept a loan modification or you enter some sort of workout that brings your loan current, you may not qualify for MyHomeCT. I can't say for sure, but I do know that they are prioritizing folks who have arrearages right now and are at risk of foreclosure. So just to be on the safe side, apply for MyHomeCT first. And if your arrearage, your delinquency exceeds the 50K, then just combine that with one of the loss mitigation options discussed in other videos. If you have any questions about MyHomeCT, or if you have any questions about your post-forbearance options, if you believe your servicer has mishandled your mortgage in any way, please reach out to us. Here you'll find our intake line. We have help available in both English and Spanish and in other languages upon request. And you can schedule also a virtual advice session with one of us attorneys to discuss your particular situation. Our mission at the Connecticut Fair Housing Center is to ensure that all people have equal access to housing opportunities in Connecticut that are free from discrimination. The center focuses on the intersection of poverty and housing discrimination, and also assists Connecticut's homeowners who've been hardest hit by the nation's ongoing foreclosure crisis. So in addition to the foreclosure guidance and advice that you've received here, if you know of anyone or if you yourself have experienced discrimination in the housing, in the apartment search, in the rental market from your landlord, please feel free to reach out to us for help. I hope this presentation has been helpful, and thank you.